Hi guys, it's Anaya from We Funny Friends, and today I have a guest, Addie. And today we're going to be putting soap in the microwave and going to see if it gets puffy. And we're using Dial soap. We don't know if that's going to work, but we're going to try.
And that's Lulu.
Yeah. And so we're going to set it for 3 minutes like we did. And then we're going to... Oh. And then put the soap in there. And then close it and then start. And then I'm going to get up here so I can see if it's getting puffy. And when it starts to get real puffy, we're going to take it out.
Can't see it.
Yeah, you can't really see it, but I can kind of see it. Nothing's really happening yet. Is it working? Not really. Oh, or kind of. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Yeah, it's really cool. It's really cool. Can I see?
You can't see anything through there.
Oh, I guess the other side.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, it's like, it's so weird. Let's keep it.
Addie, you go over there and Daddy will hold Naya.
It looks so cool. I can't see. I can smell it. It smells really good. Yeah, it smells like soap. Oh yeah, sure.
You can see Lulu in it.
Hi. Oh my gosh, it's getting so cool. Is it getting bigger?
Here, come over here.
Yeah.
Addie. Stand right here, Addie. You can see it like from this angle.
Oh.
Well, here, you can see it through here.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
in here.
It's big. Yeah. It's so weird. It smells really good. You don't like the smell of it? I do.
You see it?
Yeah. Oh, she got the soapbox. It looks like Lulu's.
Lulu's in the soap.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it really smells.
Oh,
Is
it's
it on
steaming.
fire? I
Yeah.
think we should take it out.
It's steaming.
All right, open the microwave.
Oh wait, stop it.
Pull it open.
Whoa!
Oh, it's burning. Oh, it made a flobby blob.
Oh. I don't
Uh-oh.
think that's supposed to happen.
I
we did it too
think
long.
we did it too long because it was
okay.
bigger before.
Well, bye guys.